Today we're making some Japanese fried chicken, also known as karaage. For this recipe, we're using chicken thigh meat without the bones. You want to leave that skin on. We're going to cut the chicken right down the middle and then cut it into these bite-sized pieces, and that's because it's usually eaten with chopsticks. We're going to throw our bite-sized pieces into a bowl to marinate for about 30 minutes. We're using 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, some MSG, nutmeg, and tubed garlic. Give it a little mix and try to get all that chicken underneath. Then we're going to cover the top and set it aside. Now for the oil, you really only need enough to cover the bottom since we're going to be flipping it. For this recipe, we're using potato starch, and that's what makes the chicken so crispy. Pretty much the more you get onto the chicken, the crispier it'll be. Once the oil reaches a medium-high heat, in goes the chicken, and I don't recommend crowding it as much as I did because it just makes it harder to cook. After about 7 or 8 minutes, we'll remove it from the oil, and you can fry them again, but I really don't think it's necessary for this recipe. Lastly, we'll cut a little lemon for the chicken, and now that's how you make Japanese fried chicken. Hope you enjoyed this one and subscribe for daily food videos from Japan.